Oh, I have been looking forward to this day for a long time. Here's your new home, guys.
Oh my gosh.
This one's starting to deflate.
Oh, the bag ripped open, Ed. Oh, I have been looking forward to this day for a long time. What's up, Pond Professor?
Hey, what's going on?
You know what we're doing right now?
I do. We're going back to George's place. We're going to check out the pond that we recently built, but we're also going to start bringing out the fish.
We have George's beautiful koi. Look at how active they are. They are ready. They have no idea where they're going. So
No.
we're getting these off of your hands. Good job. You didn't lose a single one, right?
Not a single one.
Nice.
They even had parasites.
Really?
Took care of them, yep.
Okay. What did you do to take care of the parasites?
We salted it and gave them some medicated food, and now they're good to go.
Next stop, Gulf, Illinois. Fish delivery.
Ed, your face is on a van. This is crazy. There's like two of them.
Greg has actually got the roof for a drone shot.
You know, the reason is I'm a little bit more shy and reserved, so I kept him in the front. Ed wants his face plastered
Yeah,
everywhere, so we put him on the side. Here's the fish. Oh, the bag ripped open, Ed. They're all gone. I got you.
Totally did. I'm like, they're way up there.
Here we go. These fish came from Aqualand. Loaded them up an hour ago. Now they're going to your house.
We have 5 bags of fish.
Babies. What's up, boys? How we doing? Long time no see.
We loaded them up with oxygen. We also put ammonia stress relief inside of there as well, so they're good.
They're coming back from vacation. They were just at an all-inclusive resort, Aqualand, for how many months?
November, December, January, February, March. Over 5 months.
5 months.
Yep.
Really?
It's April.
Dude, yeah, wow. That was a long vacation, guys. All right, well, welcome home. My mom's gonna be so excited. Hey, boys. Here, can we each take 2?
John C.
These guys need to get in.
All right.
Make this happen.
You remember picking them out, Mom?
Oh my gosh, we have been feeding them a lot. They look huge. Oh my gosh.
Silver guys, yeah. Some of them. Some of these.
Goodness, let me see.
Some of these just are like.
Look at Culver. Culver grew a lot too. Wow, let me see. Oh, lightning? Let's see.
And then I got a couple over here.
My first time seeing Ed's creation in person.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. George, you haven't finished it. I thought you were going to put some wood on and stuff.
We are.
Okay. Wow, what a cool, wow. This looks great. Here's your new home, guys. Thanks for a while. It's so impressive. It's huge, it's big. I can see why Dad was overwhelmed. There isn't a human being on the planet Earth that would come into this basement and not go, oh my gosh, what else could you put in a space that every single person that comes into would be like, wow. This is a wow space. A water feature creates that wow factor.
Wow, look at
Wow.
them. Oh my gosh.
They're gonna have so much fun. They're gonna be picking up that sand, eating the bacteria that's on it, searching around with their whiskers. They're gonna love that. So you're just gonna see their butts in the air all the time
Oh my
going around.
gosh, I cannot wait to see them in there. How long
It's been
do
a
you have-
long journey, 15, 20 minutes.
I'm ready. I'm also ready for you, George, to finish making it look even prettier.
Yeah.
What's the plan there, buddy? I thought this was a month it's been in here now, right? I love it, and Ed, I love how you put the biofalls, because those fish are going to love that current.
I know, right?
Because they're river fish, so this current, you're just going to see them swimming like salmon against that current. I bet you some of them go into that biofalls and come back.
I guarantee they will.
I would fill it with plants.
Oh,
I
can
would
I
fill
do
it with
that?
like spider plants, something that would grow in low light, and just get another light in there, a little grow light up there or something. You
Okay.
just plug it in, make sure it doesn't fall into the pond.
George is talking about possibly bringing in Tanner from
Oh, doing a live
and
wall.
doing live.
Oh, gosh, your husband would love it.
Let's do it.
I think the fish are going to love that stream coming
think so,
through.
too.
Well, I'm going to love getting to really see them so nicely this way,
You'll
but
spend so much time here.
be able to like really enjoying them down here before they go outside.
This one's starting to deflate. I want to get air in there.
Culver, there's Culver coming out.
Okay, here's the first one's going in.
It's time for acclimation.
Acclimation. Acclimation. Acclimation.
Oh, wow.
There he
Lightning,
goes.
look.
Hey, buddy.
Come,
His eyes
come
are like,
here.
where am I right now?
That's Georgie's favorite.
Next one, they're coming in right now.
Oh,
And then I got another one ready right here. Here you go, buddy.
wow.
So how satisfying is this, George, to have this vision and then see it come to fruition?
It's epic. You guys crushed it. I'm so lucky that you guys were able to get me into this part of the hobby. It's something I never thought that I'd be sitting in my basement with a 2,300 gallon pond with massive koi fish. It's because of Greg, you know, going to Japan, picking out the fish. Both of you guys and your team for coming out here, building the outdoor pond, now the indoor one. It's crazy. I can't imagine what's next.
Yeah. Wow.
I didn't have this vision of an indoor pond, of course, but I can't tell you how happy I am to see my fish because we did the Japan trip together.
Yes.
And we picked these guys out.
These fish have had quite the journey from Japan to golf to St. Charles to Aqualand, back to golf. Like, they're like, what the heck is going on?
It was hard to be without them during the winter.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
So Mr. Ted, these two guys behind me, they built that indoor pond that you didn't like so much. So now it's all come full circle and Mr. Ted has a job for you guys. What are we thinking here?
I have to say, I love your pants so much. Fire that guy right away. That he gave me the idea that I have a business that we can transform the same thing there. And so I'm excited to take the experts to the place and see how we can, make it something similar like what you did in my house.
So if they can help you with this, maybe we call it even.
Possibly.
Baby steps.
We're about to go there, we're gonna check it out, diagnose the issues and the problems.
Amen.
One of the businesses that my dad has, he's got an existing pond there and it's just never been up and running. I don't even know, maybe you guys built it a long time ago. Like maybe an aquascape contractor built it.
It's very possible, actually. It definitely is possible.
So we're gonna go check it out and see what it's gonna take to fix it.
I need your imagination, your creativity.
Pond guy Greg, you're the
I'm
boss.
Lucy. Explain to you kind of how this was supposed to work.
Okay.
Okay.
How long has it been here?
Probably 2007.
So somebody's best friend built it and they didn't know what they were doing. I got
Correct. There's a leak right over there. You can see the concrete.
it. Look at a mortar.
See the plug?
Yes?
You're supposed to plug this in.
Look at a blue tarp.
Ted needs a complete pond makeover.
I'm gonna hire someone to scoop all this out of here. There's just, when we come in, it's just earth. You plant seed, grass seed. The only thing we do is have a waterfalls right here with a patio there, and all the brides and the grooms and the proms and everything else, they stand in the patio. There's a big waterfalls behind them with big rocks, not little rocks. Zero concrete, no mortar. Flip a switch, turn it on, flip a switch, turn it off, everything works.
Beautiful. I love it.
Can we fix this?
This will be fixed, okay?
The professor.
Ed recommends just to close down the whole thing and build a new one, smaller, efficient, when you turn it on when people want to have a picture and then turn it off, because otherwise, And
No
so
fish,
I will
waterfall.
expect Ed to present me with a design and the next plan, because I have a lot of pressure from these people.
She's a pistol, I like that woman.
She's a director of sales, okay? And they want to sell.
Of course.
And of course, that thing helps them.
Good.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. I love my job.
Ted's gonna get into the pond business. All right.
See you, Georgie.
Good seeing you too.
Break.
All right, later.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this update on my koi. Now, I do still need to do a lot of things to this pond. Obviously, I still have to finish the outside. I have to stain the wood and then maybe put some kind of like synthetic rock layer over it. I'm not sure. I also need to scape the inside of it and scape, like Greg mentioned, the outside back walls of the tank. So there's so much to do with this pond. If you want to stay up to date with this project, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Part of the reason that I've left it entirely empty as a blank canvas is I want you guys to be a part of this. So I do want to see your feedback, your suggestions down in the comments below. If you have any ideas, people you want to see me collab with, maybe potential aquascapers, design or lighting professionals, let me know. I'm going to be reading every single comment. This is going to be a longer form build, so your input really can help. In the next video, I'm gonna be bringing my dad and my younger brother down here to show them the koi, and I'm gonna see if I can get them to go swimming with me in the pond. Finally, I still need to do a full-on room tour of all the animals that I own. It has changed a lot. There's gonna be some updates, so stay tuned, like the video down below, and subscribe to get these updates. I'll see you guys in the next one, but until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.